Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, today we have theorem whose statement is intersection of any two characteristic subgroup of a group G is a characteristic subgroup. Now proof. Let H and K be two characteristic subgroup of G. We show that H intersection K is also a characteristic subgroup of G. This is our required. For this, let alpha be any automorphism of G. Then since H and K are characteristic subgroups in G, so by the definition of characteristic subgroup, we have H under alpha is equal to H and K under alpha is equal to K. Now since we also know that H intersection K is a subset of H and H intersection K is a subset of K, so H intersection K under alpha is a subset of H alpha, and also H intersection K under alpha is a subset of K alpha. Now because as H and K are characteristic, then we can write H alpha is equal to H and K alpha is equal to K. So H intersection K under alpha is a subset of H intersection K because it present in both H and K, and if it present in both H and K, then it will be in intersection. Since one holds for any automorphism alpha, and we know that if alpha is an automorphism, then alpha inverse is also an automorphism. So for alpha inverse, equation number 1 becomes, it means that we can also write equation number 1 for alpha inverse. So H intersection K under alpha inverse is a subset of H intersection K, implies that H intersection K is a subset of H intersection K under alpha. So from 1 and 2, H intersection K under alpha is equal to H intersection K, and hence this shows that H intersection K is characteristic in G. Now we can extend this property up to any collection. Now we have next theorem, that is intersection of any collection of the characteristic subgroup of a group G is characteristic subgroup of G. It means that we can take any collection and their intersection is also characteristic subgroup of G. Proof. Let C be the collection of the characteristic subgroup. C is the collection. We show that K belong to C intersection K is characteristic subgroup of G. For this, we take alpha any automorphism of G and let H is equal to the intersection of K belong to C K. It means that H is the intersection of the whole collection. So let K be any member of C. We take a member from C, then by definition K under alpha is equal to K because K is characteristic. Now since H is a subset of K, for all the K belong to C, because H is equal to intersection, and we know that intersection is always a subset of K. So applying alpha automorphism, H under alpha is a subset of K under alpha for all the K belong to C. This implies that H under alpha is a subset of K for all the K belong to C. This implies that H under alpha is a subset of K belong to C intersection K, and K belong to C intersection K is equal to H. That is, this implies that H under alpha is a subset of H. Call this equation number 1. Now since this holds for any automorphism alpha, and we know that the inverse of an automorphism is an automorphism, so for the alpha inverse, equation number 1 becomes H under alpha inverse is a subset of H, and we apply alpha towards the right side. H is a subset of H alpha from 2, 1 and 2. This implies that H under alpha is equal to H. This implies that H is a characteristic in G, but H is equal to the intersection of all the K belong to C is characteristic in G. So it means that the intersection of the any collection of the characteristic subgroup of is a characteristic subgroup of G. Now we have next theorem. Prove that every fully invariant subgroup of a group G is characteristic subgroup of G. Proof: let F be fully invariant subgroup of G. Then we show that F is characteristic. F is fully invariant. Then we will show that F is characteristic in G. For this, let alpha be any automorphism of G. Since every automorphism of G is an endomorphism of G, so we have F under alpha is a subset of F. F is fully invariant. This is the definition of the fully invariant. Further, since alpha is an automorphism, so alpha inverse is also an automorphism and hence an endomorphism. Therefore, for alpha inverse, we can write F under alpha inverse subset of F from 1 and 2. F is a subset of F under alpha. So from 1 and 2, F alpha is equal to F for every automorphism alpha of G, which shows that F is characteristic subgroup and G. It means that every fully invariant is characteristic subgroup in G.